And coming our way next, we have our popular segment called Qanoon. The host here is Hamare Jane Mane, attorney Raja Bhandari from the law offices of Raja Bhandari in Sex and Settlements. Today, this attorney will talk to you and I about medical power of attorney and the living will. Let's see.
Good afternoon. This is Raja Bhandari from Sex and Settlements, Raja Bhandari Law Offices of Annandale, Virginia. Welcome back to Qanoon. Again, I thank you so much for your emails and the phone calls we received, and we will going to entertain as what we received one by one. Last time we were talking about the durable power of attorney and how it can be prepared and how it can save lots of money and hassles and inconvenience to the family. Now, the durable power of attorney, I have one question, very simple question to that matter, that it can we terminate that particular power of attorney? Of course, it is your document. There is a certain way to do these things. When you have a power of attorney and you prepare a power of attorney, obviously either you will request the person who is your attorney in fact that I have a power of attorney, or you provide a copy of that power of attorney, durable power of attorney we are talking about, to that person, so that in case that if something happened to you, so then he or she can rely upon that document, carry on with the business. Now, for example, let's say that if you have a problem that you don't want that person to be attorney in fact anymore due to trust factor, due to any other reason, or you want to change the attorney in fact, instead of that person you want to replace that person. This is how usually we do that. We do not, first of all, if you want to change that particular person, we have to terminate the whole power of attorney and make sure that there is no copy left and the properly notice has been given to the person who is your attorney in fact, that you are no more attorney in fact for me, and I am hereby revoke all any arrangement, agreement, and please destroy the power of attorney, whatever I gave it to you or give it to me, so I can destroy that. So that should be completely out of the picture. Then if you want to add somebody else, then you prepare, that's what I would recommend. Again, it's up to you or anybody else that how they want to handle that. So prepare a new durable power of attorney with the new name of the person, with information regarding the person. Now, why is that? When you terminate properly, that I don't want, or as if I have a power of attorney, then I gave it to someone, the person behind my back using that power of attorney, if that person has a copy, either is a original or a copy. So you want to make sure that the notices has been given to all those persons. It happens in life that the person can take advantage of you while you are terminating, or you just simply verbally say that don't use my power of attorney and give it to me. That is not a case, because the person, when he is using your power of attorney on behalf of you, the other party does not know that what you communicate with that attorney in fact. So in order to properly terminate, you have to follow these guidelines. Now let's talk about medical power of attorney. Friends, these days, as you know, that each person has their own desire during their lifetime, how they want to be treated during their lifetime or after death. So medical power of attorney and living will, they come handy when we prepare the estate planning. Living will, obviously it will tell that, okay, this is what my living will is, that this is what I want my certain situation to be handled during my lifetime or after my death. When it comes to medical directive, or we call medical power of attorney, that you provide a person particular powers to manage his or her life during the illness, during the when you are not in a position to make decision. It can be, for example, we usually get instructions from our client that, look, I do not want artificial life. I do not want artificial medicine that make me survive for a while. Remember one thing that I've been told, or it is true, that when you become a vegetative state, that time particular, most of the insurance companies do not entertain your insurance. They cut off that you are no more, doctor says that you are no more then you are being paid by the estate or your family to the hospital, and you know that how expensive it is. So I would recommend each person should give powers to spouse or their children that I do not want this, I want this, whatever the instruction that can be. For example, when we prepare, as I said, medical power of attorney or medical directive, we do write with the instructions of client, let's say that I want to donate my organ, I want to donate this particular brain, this particular eyes, this anything you want to donate, and then you don't want to donate, you have to write down how you want to be handled while you are in hospital, while you are on the bed, and then you cannot make decisions. So how your decision should be made by the family or by the spouse or any friend for that matters, whoever you appointed. So this medical power of attorney, and most of the time remember that most of the hospitals do not let you in or check you in, that if you do not give power of attorney to near and dears or the friends, that in case something happen, most of the time you will see that whenever you go to any doctor or hospital, they will make you sign document. But in this particular situation, you are not in a position to sign anything. So who is going to sign? Your family is going to sign, your friends going to sign, your spouse is going to sign. How they can sign? If they have a power of attorney from you. So make sure that this is a very, very important legal document, and it become very handy at the last moments of the life of the person and saves a lot of hassle and a lot of money for the family. Friends, again, time is up for today. This is Raja Bhandari taking a leave. So long.